Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. Let's look into Excel write formula. It takes two parameters. First one is text and the second one is number of characters. So what it does, it extracts the given number of characters from the right side. Let's see the example equal to right. It popped up here and I'll take this text comma, say I randomly give say 5. So say okay. So can you see from Z, Y, X, W, V it captured the 5 characters. Let me copy the same thing to remaining. So here you go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and Excel it captured from Microsoft Excel.